In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a handy technique, especially if you're looking to customize the layout of your slides or present information from a different perspective. Let's dive right in for a detailed walkthrough of the process. First things first, you'll need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If you've already got PowerPoint open, that's great. Go ahead and either open an existing presentation that contains the table you want to rotate or create a new presentation. Be sure to add in your photos, tables, and any other content you'd like because this process is most effective when you have all elements in place from the start. Now, let's focus our attention on your table. Click on the table to select it. This step is crucial because once we proceed, you won't be able to update the content within the table, so it's best to ensure everything is correct right now. Make any necessary adjustments to the text or data before moving on. With the table selected, it's time to copy it. Simply use the copy function. This can be a quick shortcut using Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or you can right-click and select Copy from the menu. This prepares your table for the next step in our process. Find a blank space on the slide to work in. Here, you're going to paste your table, but here's a key detail. The table needs to be pasted as a picture. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you might need to utilize the Paste Special option to make sure it pastes correctly as an image. This step transforms the table into a format that can be easily rotated. Once the table has been pasted as a picture, select this newly created image. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or small squares around the edges, indicating that you're ready to manipulate it using the various tools available in PowerPoint. Make sure you're in the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. If you're not automatically taken there when selecting the image, simply click on the tab to access it. Here, you'll find a group of options labeled Arrange. Among those options, click on Rotate. You'll see a drop-down menu with a few rotation choices. For a simple rotation, you can select Rotate Right 90 degree or Rotate Left 90 degree. This will turn your table image accordingly. However, if you need a specific angle, select More Rotation Options. This option gives you more control, as you can type in the exact degree of rotation you need. And there you have it. Your table is now perfectly rotated, giving your presentation a fresh perspective, or aligning the table just the way you want it. Remember, these steps ensure flexibility in designing visually appealing slides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy enhancing your PowerPoint presentations with this quick and simple table rotation technique.